Hello everyone, welcome back to RoboCode. Today I'll teach you how to make your own piano using Arduino and using a breadboard. This tutorial will guide you through the process of building a simple Arduino piano using a few basic electronic components and some programming skills. You will learn how to use an Arduino board, a piece buzzer, and some buttons to create functional piano that can play various notes and melodies. By following the step-by-step instruction, you'll be able to assemble the piano and program it to play your favorite tunes in no time. So let's get started. Following are the components which are shown in the screen that would be required in order to build this particular project. Now we'll take the push button and the breadboard and we'll try to place it on the breadboard as you can see in the screen. So total it has 4 points. So 2 points will be in one side and the other 2 points will be on the second side. Now we'll take the jumper wire and put it as you can see in the screen. Then you will take the 1 kilo ohm resistor and try to do the connection as you can see in this video. Now you will take another jumper wire and you will try to put it below the ohm resistor as you can see in this video. Take the black color jumper wire and put that on the other side of the ohm resistor. Similarly, now we'll take the orange wire. The other end will try to put it on the Arduino Uno board on the pin number 12 as shown in the video. Once that is done, we'll take the red wire. The other side will try to put it on the 5V and then the black wire will put below the red wire which is ground pin. Now let's take the buzzer and put it on the breadboard as you can see in this video. Once that is done, we'll take the white wire and we'll try to put it on the first column on the first half of the breadboard. Once that is done, we'll put the white wire, the second side, to the point 0.8 on the Arduino Uno board. Once that is done, we will take the black wire and we'll leave the two holes from the white wire and we'll put it on the ground below the black point, as you can see in this video. So this is how the connection is done. Now we'll take the wire, we'll connect to Arduino Uno, and the other side will connect to our computer to upload the code. Let's upload the code. Now we'll download the code and locate the code by double clicking on it. We'll go inside the buzzer melody with push button and then double click on this file. Once you double click on the file, it will open the Arduino editor. So this is the code which we'll be using to upload on the Arduino Uno. Now from the drop down, we will select the Arduino Uno, which is on COM6, and we will search the board Arduino Uno and click OK. So before we can compile this code, we need one more file, which is pitches.h, and that is also provided. So you can see this is the file which is there. Now let's create one more file here with pitches.h. We will open the file which we just saw a few minutes back, double click on it, and we'll select all the content and we'll do the copy and we'll paste it on the editor. So this is how the code would look like once you paste on this new file which we have created. Once this is done, we'll click on the arrow upload and it will compile. And once it is done, it will say done uploading. If there are any errors, then you can see on the output. But if there are no errors, then probably we are good to go. We can again hit it upload to check it again. But yeah, things are good. So we are mostly done with uploading the code. Now let's play it. Once the code is uploaded and everything is fine, on the Arduino Uno board, you will see the two red lights. So mostly that means things are good. So now we will press the button and you can hear the melody when you press this button. So this is how you make the connection. This is how you upload the code to create your own piano using Arduino Uno board. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.